Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing 2K. Get your snacks, drinks, chips, all that. Make sure you like to subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go. That's a shit. Step back. I'm starting now. Stop playing with him, yo.
And witnesses by Gilgis Alexander as that one goes in. Gilgis Alexander's got 5 assists in the game. Gilgis Alexander against DiVincenzo. It's Edwards on the wing.
Remember what I would say? I've been in Oklahoma for a long time. Nope. I've been in Oklahoma for a long time. It's not letting me trade for no reason. I'm about to switch teams, see what the Oklahoma can do without me. That's good. Good stuff. Yo, pass that. Buckets. I'm a point guard. Chris can make my shots. Oh yeah. We're here. You got this on lockdown. You know he doesn't even have the ball.
Gobert dishes to Randall.
Come on, yo. Oh yeah. Pass that. We down here. Shade. You saw like I was at 3. They want to pass it to him. I was at 3. Come on, yo. Like I get that was a 2-pointer. Push out a 3.
DiVincenzo against Williams.
Yeah.
DiVincenzo kicks to McDaniel.
Oh, we here. Oh yeah, we here.
Just 5 on the clock.
We here.
Here's Gobert. And it's
Pass that down.
Pass
that. Hey. I'm telling you. Something else, I'm a point guard.
Yeah, the chemistry has been terrific. Really impressed with their offensive execution.
You know, the defense has really been kept off balance because of the outstanding passing. 4 straight field goals have been made off an assist.
I looked away and all I turned around to the dunk.
Clear of Gobert on the dunk now. The force he goes to the rim with is mighty.
Bruh. Oh, pass it back, Shane.
Gilgis Alexander finds MP.
Buckets.
And it quickens by Gilgis Alexander as that one goes in.
I thought that was out. I ain't gonna
Gilgis
lie.
Alexander's got his 7th assist in the game with that one.
DJ. When I first met your dad, he used to do this too. He recorded himself playing video games and put it on Facebook. So y'all kind of like for real twins.
Hey, I'm about to put some Fortnite. I'm about to put some Fortnite TikTok. Yeah.
Back to DiVincenzo.
Lock. No. Yes. Good block, Shay. Pass that 3. No. Pass that back. Buckets. Nah, we was like, he kept passing the ball.
The threes coming fast and furious. He is scorching the net.
Now GA time for the 3rd most 3-point goals in single.
I gotta do a jump ball.
The officials signal they jump ball here.
Bro, I hate that they lost the playoffs. I beat them in here though. Except we won. I'm here. We lost. I can't wait for New York against the Spurs though. New York against the Spurs, it's gonna be hype. It's gonna hype. Well, I mean hype. It's gonna be hype, yeah. Especially when the Spurs. When New York hype right now and the Spurs are a little mad. It's about to be something else. He got fouled.
Free throw good.
Bro, and they really just bench me. I bet. You're gonna sit in here on bench for a little bit. Now, I'm gonna pause until they don't bench me. Alright, so they gonna bench me. It's 87-52. I guess they shooting their free throws. Look,
Alex Russo comes in
think
for
I'm
George,
trolling with
and
y'all.
MP subbed in for Gilgis
Tell
Alexander.
you, we did like that.
On the free throw.
Pass that,
Good.
pass that, pass that, pass
And
that.
Beasley,
Pass
his
that, pass that.
responsibility is to score the
Pass it.
basketball. Don't
Buckets.
face the floor with his outside shoot.
Good. Another from three.
I'm in.
On a shooting exhibition that has left this entire arena slack-jawed.
And Greg, he finds himself tied for second place all-time in three-point makes for a playoff game. Conley and Edwards of the guards. And a lot
Oh yeah, we got this.
And it's Gobert in its center.
Pass that.
So that's the lineup for Minnesota.
And he did everything
Easy threes.
he could
No, that's
to
a
make that
two-pointer.
shot as
Yeah, that's a two-pointer.
as possible.
And
Marcus.
you know what, guys? That will pump him up because he takes a ton of pride in what he does on defense.
35 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Two free throws coming up.
What's up with this? Hold on. I want to see how much fouls everybody got. Hold on. So, come here. Let's turn the camera. Oh, we grabbed my controller. See people's stats. Okay. Right? Okay. Now did they foul anybody? She got a block, but I didn't. That's OD game. Alright, and then y'all wanna see how much I average? Yeah, DJ, y'all wanna see how much? Okay, bet. nothing good. I'm trash. I do need some more VC though. That's why I'm playing. And I'm gonna keep it going a little bit longer because, like,
DJ, you good, man?
out here, yeah. But one thing I do need is the charger.
Okay.
Alright,
I'm gonna get the charger right now.
alright. You're the best mom.
Thank you.
I got the best mom ever. Trust, bro. And let's get back to the game.
Nice ball. So he ran
The game about to end. Alright, hold up.